Hey everybody, this is Mike. I'm back with a 2004 Jeep Wrangler. A lot of times people have an issue with the shifter getting stuck, and when you press this, no matter what you do, it's just not going into gear. There's a design flaw actually, and this is actually the piece that's inside of this that activates your interlock. And what will happen is that the tip right there will break off, and then it's not quite long enough when this is depressed to engage. So it's really an easy fix. This pulls straight up and off. Now I will tell you this has already been removed because I pulled it off once, so you may have to use quite a bit of force to remove it, but you just grab a hold of it and go straight up like that, and then you're going to see here that's. Now in this case I've already done the repair, which is a chopstick. It's kind of a DIY because if you don't use this, you have to buy this whole assembly, and it's like 170 bucks. I'll put links in the bottom to that if you do want to purchase that, but I will show you here in just a second how long to cut the lengths, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this will give you a good idea of what size I used in our Jeep. You can see it's just shy of 5.5 inches. I would cut an extra one and stick it in the glove box just in case, but the guy that posted this on the forum said his has lasted for 10 years plus, so this is pretty much a permanent fix. So basically we're going to take this chopstick and then insert it into there, and then down in there obviously. So okay, you hear that click sound. That's what you want to hear. Now obviously you can put your key in. We're back in business, all with the chopstick.